Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Ji step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Ji, cross a river. To be of help. For example, 救济. "救济" means to help somebody with cash or goods. To help somebody with cash or goods. She volunteered her services for relief work. 她自愿参加救济工作。She volunteered her services for relief work.她自愿参加救济工作。自愿 volunteered. 参加 to join. 救济工作。She volunteered their services for relief work. 她自愿参加救济工作。My daily handwriting on the character Ji. Ji, cross a river. To be of help. 救济 to help somebody with cash or goods. She volunteered her services for relief work. 她自愿参加救济工作。Ji. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Ji. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.